welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I'm not in my shed today. I'm upstairs in the chill out room. I have a little project I want to share with you. We have moved house several times as our kids are growing up. I'm starting to wonder if they feel that our home is their home, and I'm concerned about keeping memories, home memories for the kids. They're not kids anymore, they're adults, but I still see them as kids. So this house has changed so much, and our taste, my decor taste has changed. So I have acquired a lot of things and other things that we had, and I have changed them by painting them or repurposing them. And I get concerned that the kids won't feel any connection with the house. Our youngest son loves London. He was born and bred in London. He works in London now. He just loves everything about London. A good friend of mine, his mother, sent me this last time Luke was up. It's a shopping bag. And I came up with the idea to use them as decor for the walls, to, instead of buying a painting, to make my own artwork for the downstairs, because will be something that will connect the youngest lad to his life. And this, nothing says Luke's life more than this. It will always be part of his life, and I thought would be a nice thing to do so that he feels connected and part of the house. So what is my plan? I got this poster frames and pound stretcher, 2 pounds each. My plan is I'm going to cut the bag and have it in 2 parts. I'm going to use both sides and do 2 posters. Let's get on with it. £4 it cost me the frames. I created my individual wall art that has meaning to our family, especially to our youngest son. Let's put them up on the walls downstairs. So this is the end result. It's up on the wall. For you to have an idea, this is our hall downstairs. And we have black handles on the doors. And I have quite a few door accents, the switches and things. That's why I went for a black frame. It's very simple, but it's just me trying to create a home in the new house so that our kids can feel part of it. So it was really cheap and easy to do. Obviously the bag was gifted to me, so it didn't cost me any money, and the frames cost me £2 each, and it only took me 10 minutes to do this. So, and I'm very pleased. If I show you here the other one, and it's different, and that's what we are all about. We don't like to have what everyone else has. It's what we like, is what it means something to us. So I'm very pleased with the outcome. It's very simple, straightforward. You can use anything you want. You can even use leftover wallpaper, wrapping paper, all sorts of things that you want to frame because it means something to you. I think it's a really nice touch, and it always connects you and takes you back to a moment in time in your life, and that's what I like about. He has to have some meaning to it. So very straightforward. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.